Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my appearance. I worked all day yesterday, had a couple hours off, and then worked all night. So that's why I look like this morning. I want to go over a few things, show you my haul and the other sale that's going on. So there's a lot of things right now that are buy one, get two free. So it's a great time to take advantage if you want some stuff. For that, the green dot, I think it's most of the green dot stuff, is included in the buy one, get two free. I got this pillow. It's usually $8. I got two of them. I wanted to get more, but that's all the pillows they had left. And then I got one of the big boxes. And this is normally $8. It's good to store stuff in. So I got those three things. And my total was $4.80, which is an amazing deal. They had washcloths, they had all kinds of stuff. They have summer stuff. I wanted pillows mainly, so that's what I got. All right, now for my haul. Oh, and stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to announce the winner to my hidden giveaway that it was like a week or two ago. Okay, for the haul, I got two of the 120 count snuggle dryer sheets. These are two for $8, and we have a $4 digital for these. I got the Tide Simply. These are $2.95, and we have a $2 digital for these. Now, I wanted to use up the last of my Aleve coupons because I go through this stuff like candy. The Aleve Back and Muscle. Now, this is saying it's back to $4.25, and it is ringing up at my store at $3.75. So, make sure you're scanning your stuff on your app, because you don't want to be under that $25 total. You want your 5 off of 25 to come off. So, $3.75, $3 digital. The Aleve 50 caps. These, I think they're $6.75. Hold on, let me check real quick. $6.95 at my store. My store seems to be a little bit more expensive sometimes. And there's a $3 digital for these. No, $2. Sorry, I'm half asleep. And we have that save 3 when you spend 10 on Bear products coupon. So that qualified when you get both of these. So with my, and the Centrum Multi Gummies. These are $4.20. I had a paper coupon from the, the 9/8 Retail Me Not, I believe it is, for $4. So that makes these just 20 cents. So my total before tax was $2.87, which is a total savings of $23.98. Now, next week, well, this Sunday coming up, my voice is going. I'm so tired. We're getting a Retail Me Not. And remember, not every area gets the same inserts. It goes by the region in which you live in. And a Smart Source. That's all that was in my paper. I get my paper, my coupons in my paper on Saturday, because the Saturday paper is cheaper than the Sunday paper. All right. And don't forget to be scanning your receipts on the Fetch app so you can get money back. If you don't have the Fetch app, I will link my referral code in the box below this video. And the first time you scan a receipt, it will give you, I think, 2,000 points. All right. The winner of my hidden giveaway was in one of my videos at the end. If you guys watch my videos all the way through, you will sometimes see hidden giveaways. And I wrote it down. The winner is She Is Kendall. So, She Is Kendall, you have till, I'll say, Monday night at 6 o'clock Eastern time to email me. My email is in my About section on my page. All right, guys, I think that's it. I'm exhausted and tired, so I'm going to go home and go to sleep. I hope you guys all have a great Saturday and good luck shopping. Definitely take advantage of all the deals we have going on right now, especially that buy one, get two free. You can get great stuff for like in your home, summer stuff for next year. Just make sure you take a look around and see what they have. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Have a great weekend.